Hello, I'm Bob Pellerin, CTOBOB, and today I'll be unboxing this Samsung Odyssey G9, which is a DQHD 49-inch monitor. Let's go ahead and open up the box and take a look. There we go. Boy, this cardboard is very stiff. So as you can imagine, it's very well padded. They're using traditional styrofoam. The documentation almost fell out, and all we're getting is two little pieces of paper. So let's go ahead and do our best to take this out. All right, first I'm guessing this is part of the stand. This entire box, by the way, weighs about 50 pounds. So you might want to get someone in the office to help you unpack this, or get a friend if this is for your home. And this type of monitor is perfect for gamers and coders. So some of my favorite people out there. If you're watching this, by the way, my thanks to my friend Jason for mentioning that he had gotten one and really liked it. So this is why I'm getting it. So here we go. So I've gone ahead and I've opened up, I guess this is the arm that will hold it. And as you can tell just from this, you'll be able to slide it up and down for adjustment. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Well, we've got some HDMI cables, I believe, and power. And there's actually a USB, and yep, those are one HDMI cable. So there we go. Let's see what else we've got. This would be the bottom of the stand, quite large. Looks like one of those things that you use to find water. Probably won't work in this case. And this is the part, I guess, that connects to the back of the monitor. Just metal. And there's some screws with it as well. So this looks like quite the construction project. Let's see. Oh, I got something else in here. I have another little sleeve. Let's see what's in here. It looks like a funnel. By the way, if you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So this is like a little collar that goes in the back. And let's go ahead and take, oh, there's another piece here, which I'm assuming goes in the back as well. Let's see if I can open this easily. Okay. So the back of the monitor appears to be white. There we go. A lot of pieces in here. So it's just a plastic backing. And let's take this off. So they are using more traditional styrofoam. I know some companies have gone more ecological. They're using a lot more cardboard or paper products or recycled products. And okay, so this is the first look at the monitor. It is just huge, but hopefully this will live up to what we expect out of it. Okay, we're gonna have to take it out, cut, remove it from the box, because this is a two-person job at this point. So we'll be right back. Okay, so first thing here is to go ahead and put USB, the display port, and as we move into here, this is the power. Okay, so when you're ready to cable manage, so we've got all the cable. The trick is to push this on both sides, and when you're ready to cable manage this, basically there's, you simply push it up, and it comes off, and then you can lift it. And then it'll be easy and simple. Go ahead and simply pass it through here, and as best as you can, and then you simply put it back in. And there you go, it clips back into place. And we're going to lock it in back into place, and there you go. Now it's cable managed. So we're talking 240 hertz for refresh. It's got a bunch of ports in the back. It has two display ports. It has one HDMI. It has, as you saw, USB 3.0. And it will actually be used as a hub, so you've got two external ones that you can replug stuff into it. So the DQHD is 5120 by 1440 for resolution. It has HDR10 plus. The brightness on here is 420 nits. It's a 2500 to 1, and it's a QLED monitor. So let's go ahead and plug it in to quickly see what it looks like. We tweaked it with a different background picture because obviously the resolution is way higher than what I had even with the two screens. And the last pièce de résistance here is to take all of this off. Actually, there's not that much, just the... Oh. I don't think that there's another plastic on here. I think so. It's just the edges that we need to remove. It does shake quite a bit because of its size. I'm hoping it doesn't move too much if you're on a desk that wiggles a bit. If you have a flimsy desk that can't handle the 50 pounds of this thing. There we go. So that's what it looks like. So we'll be able to program and do all kinds of things with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can always reach us by visiting us at www.ctobob.com. Of course, leave a comment below. We'll read those and answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.